Drive It Forward is a new and growing ministry at St. Luke's that provides free oil changes once a quarter. Many of us take for granted our transportation because we have the ability to afford maintenance and repairs. However, some struggle with reliable transportation and their livelihoods may depend on mobility to make a living. Lack of reliable and affordable transportation is one of the top 5 barriers for our neighbors in Central Florida. We hope to also help any who may have encountered service organizations that prey on those who don't know much about their vehicle. A small group of volunteers met over Zoom during COVID-19 to share ideas addressing reliable transportation through car donations and automotive maintenance. Through that, Drive It Forward was born. We've partnered with Advanced Auto Parts for a discount on parts and Patriot Auto for those needing extensive repairs. With their help, we gather quarterly to perform the basic services of a Jiffy Lube and often additional services when required. In our first event in January 2020, we had a great turnout of volunteers and serviced more than 20 cars. For a first operation, the event ran very smoothly, and we could truly see God's hand at work. We had technicians from St. Luke's, Lockheed Martin, and Universal Studios all pitching in to help. As our service ministry expands, we also wish to grow in other areas. At our next event, we are going to focus on empowerment. People who have a dependency on their transportation at a level that could be a danger to their success in life often live in fear of their automobile failing. We wish to instill confidence in individuals by showing them basic steps to evaluate their car between maintenance and giving them a sense of control over their vehicle's needs. Our main objective is service to others, something Christ talks about in Matthew 25. He did not directly say, "When my car needed maintenance, you changed my oil," but that is a way we help and serve others with Drive It Forward.